Business owners getting Obamacare sticker shock and heading to the Hill demanding answers.
This has been a catastrophic failure across America.
I was startled. I was shocked when our health insurance went up 49% this year.
We're competing against countries who've fixed this problem, who have lower health care costs, forcing small businesses to either internalize this or put their workers in the corner.
How do I quote jobs against my competitors in China? How can I win jobs that are 3-year and 5-year contracts when I don't know how much my costs are going to be?
We cannot compete against Japan or France or Canada or any people that we compete against unless we find a way for our small business entrepreneurs to have affordable, accessible insurance.
The costs have gone up. Despite all the promises, our costs will go down.
Once the American people believe that they have been intentionally lied to, it really causes difficulties in trying to solve problems.
America has to fix this. We've fixed big and bold and important things in the past.
What we pointed to over and over again for years is how this law was not just destined to fail, but destined to hurt people. And now it's happening.
We've got to figure out a way to fix this in a way that's going to grow and strengthen small businesses.
We're all in this together.
You just saw Drew Greenblatt telling Congress what Obamacare is doing to his business. Now the Baltimore-based small business owner joins us. Nice to see you, Drew.
Hi.
Okay, so you testified today, but let me ask you, first of all, what's your business?
I own a sheet metal fabricator, wire basket manufacturer in Baltimore City, Maryland.
All right, and your health care has been going up. You have employees you've been giving health care to for 15 years. That up until about a year ago is going up about 8% each year?
Yes.
Okay, so now what's your sticker shock?
I couldn't believe it when I got a call from my insurance agent. He told us that our individual rates were going up 49%. It was stunning. It was very challenging.
What does that do to your business?
It's terrible. I mean, I can't call my clients up and ask them for a 49% price increase. I mean, that's untenable, and they'd laugh at me. Our system is broken. We have to fix it. We are in a very competitive space. We compete with China every day of the week. We compete with Germany and Canada. And we make it all there in Baltimore. And if our costs are out of control, we're not competitive. It's intrinsic that our system gets revised, refined, so that we can be competitive. Right now, we export to China. We export to Mexico. The way that happens is because we're efficient, we're productive. But if we're not competitive because our health care costs, we're in big trouble.
So if it stays at 49%, can you make it? Can you compete? I mean, how many employees do you have?
We have 25 employees. We're a small manufacturer in Baltimore City.
So can you compete? Can you keep all 25?
We very much want to. I mean, our goal is that we can grow. I mean, if we do this right, we can grow and hire people and have less unemployed steelworkers. Right now, we're in a position where it's one more obstacle coming from Washington, slowing us down, slowing down the recovery. We want the economy to turn around.
All right, were you in favor of Obamacare originally? What's your view of it today?
Well, we were told our cost was going to go down $2,500 per family.
Down?
Down. All of us were told that. And it's dispiriting that in the reality is 49% up. And this is for things for mandates that we really don't need or nor want. And it's very difficult because we want to grow, we want to hire people.
So were you had?
Well, I don't know whether it's good intentions and reality met. The bottom line is we need changes. We have to be practical. The law is the law of the land now. We have to get to work and get this changed.
Can that be fixed?
It has to happen. I mean, it's going to make our country less competitive. Today, Cory Booker at the Senate, a Democrat, was very positive about making changes, getting practical. And I hope, he sets a tone within the Democratic Party, within the Republican Party, that we have to refine and work this out and make it better.
Well, maybe he's brand new, so maybe he doesn't have any old grudges, so maybe he can. He's a new senator. Drew, thank you.
Thank you so much.